Without accurate reports and measurements from the Google Ads Data Hub, you will not be able to find out how effectively your ad campaign is performing. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for watching. Your digital marketing campaign will be based upon the figures and results that you are seeing within your Google Ads dashboard. It is therefore vital that this information is accurate and up to date. Over recent years, Google has been investing heavily into the Google Ads Data Hub, which is a cloud-based measurement solution designed to help you to understand the effectiveness of your ad campaign in a secure, privacy-safe way. The data held within the hub will encompass performance across a variety of platforms, including mobile apps, YouTube, Google Ads, Display and Video 360. The Google Ads Data Hub restricts the use of user data, so it adds another layer of protection for your audience, whilst still allowing you to measure results. The investment that has been made recently has focused on infrastructure improvements to the Google Ads Data Hub, which have increased speed, ease of use, and reliability for you, the end user. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for joining in. Look forward to seeing you in my next video.